I lecture nationwide to natural health practitioners on a topic called functional blood chemistry. And down below is a link to get started. There is so much information we can gather from our functional blood chemistry wellness panel. And we are ordering a basic complete blood count. We're looking at your immune system as well as blood deficiency. So we want to rule out any type of blood deficiency challenges that can be related to nutrition. So for example, iron deficient anemia is a nutritional related blood deficiency situation that you can actually nourish your body with a good food-based source of iron and help your body make blood. Furthermore, we also have a lipid panel, so that's going to cover your cholesterol. Now, for many of you who are looking to balance your hormones to make sure that you have the proper amounts of progesterone, estrogen, testosterone, and cortisol, it's important to have sufficient cholesterol levels. So we're going to be testing cholesterol, and we're going to make sure your body's capable of converting that cholesterol downstream to other hormones such as DHEA and progesterone, testosterone, and estrogens. Then we also have the systemic inflammatory markers. So we want to rule out any possible inflammation that's going within the body. So we can see that actually through a functional blood chemistry wellness panel. We're also going to do a thorough thyroid panel. So we're going to measure TSH, but also we're going to measure T4, T3, reverse T3, some autoantibodies. We're just going to be looking at the overall balance of the thyroid endocrine axis. That includes the pituitary, thyroid, the liver, as well as the adrenals. We're also going to order the comprehensive metabolic panel. That typically is going to include your electrolytes, your kidney markers like creatinine, BUN, and EGFR. And then we also have the liver markers. So we have the AST, ALT, GGT, LDH. And then we have blood sugar markers in there, such as fasting glucose. Now, there are many other markers we add in. So those are the common panels, right? The CBC, the lipid panel, the thyroid panel. We also have an iron panel. We have a CMP. And then we also add in some additional markers to help understand what's going on. So for example, we actually include a fasting insulin and a hemoglobin A1C. Extremely important to understanding, is there any blood sugar imbalances in development. Now, when we order this panel, it's very comprehensive, but you can order it down below. There's a link to place this order, and once you've entered your information and we receive that, we will then email you a requisition form and instructions on where to go and have the blood drawn. And then it takes usually about 2 to 3 weeks for those lab results to get to us. And then once we receive it, we'll go ahead and send that to you with our comments and analysis. The importance of measuring all of these markers is really key to assessing your physiology. We do not assess or diagnose pathology. That's what most medical professionals will do, is they'll see if you have a biomarker that's way beyond a range so they can actually give you a diagnosis. We are going to check to see where you're not optimal in the middle, and then gather information about your physiology. And physiology is the functions of your glands and your organs, and that's where we want to focus on. So if we see any imbalances with the physiology, then we'll make recommendations and correct course with proper nutritional or herbal formulas to get your body back to maintaining homeostasis. That's being balanced within the blood. If you have any questions whatsoever, reach out to us anytime, and be sure to watch this video where I discuss blood sugar regulation and the importance of insulin, glucose, and hemoglobin A1C.